Got some mugs.
We've had these mugs for months. I think I'm still a bit salty that we've missed out on 2 mugs. We missed out on October, we missed out on December. So I know I think this is September and November.
That box.
So I've got Big Thunder Mountain, which I believe was number 9. So this was September, Big Thunder Mountain. Fun ride.
Well, this was November.
Yeah, September, November.
So which ones?
We missed October and December. So we got Jungle Cruise. That one's a fun one. Ooh, I like that one. That one's pretty. So not that I haven't seen these like on pictures, but that one really is pretty in real life.
So which 2 mugs you gonna get rid of to replace these with? You got too many mugs.
Just don't do that. You don't replace mugs. Eventually they break and you just have more. But the good thing about this is they don't take up as much room because they stack. This has been my favorite part about it because we have high cabinets and our shelves are actually pretty high apart, so they don't really take up as much room. I know.
It's got the texture on the bottom.
Yeah, the others don't have the texture. It's got them on the handle too. Nice little periwinkle and green color there. So these are actually really pretty. I like these. So these will be fun. That's the Big Thunder Mountain. So Jungle Cruise, always a fun ride. So again, like we tried, this completes our set 10 out of 12. So it's not really complete, but.
How much are the other ones for?
So I was able to locate a Haunted Mansion, which was the October one, but they were selling them on eBay for like $80, and I don't want it that bad. So,
Zoom.
And then I believe the castle or fireworks were December, and those were about 70. I think was the cheapest, 60 or 70 I could find for that one. So unless they go down,
well, we won't be getting those.
Nope, have no desire to pay that much for a mug. Although I would love to have the full set of 12. That would be a lot of.
But this is an expensive set of mugs anyway. I mean, they're 25 bucks each. Mm-hmm. How many we got? 10?
Actually, they're $19.99 each, but we end up having to pay for shipping.
25.
So
25 bucks each.
And I can tell you, I was at Magic Kingdom when they released the fireworks one, and it was nowhere to be found. Like, could not find it. I looked for it so that I could just purchase it there. And listen, those eBayers come in with wagons into Magic Kingdom and load their strollers and their wagons up and take off.
So basically, over the course of a year, we spent about 250 bucks on some mugs.
He agreed to do this. It was for me because he loves me. It's a little disheartening to know that it's not finished. It's not a complete set. But I will say they are good mugs. They've held up well. I've not had any chips or anything occur in any of them so far, and we've had some of them for over a year. So they're good, sturdy mugs. They clean well. They handle well. So all in all, I can't say I'm disappointed in them.
Well, I guess that's gonna do it. I have a knife in my hands. We'll see you next time. Well, not for mugs, but in another video, I guess. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.